So today's video is just going to be an invitational video. I think that's the appropriate word to use. I'm not quite sure. I think it is. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashleigh here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. So in this video today, it's just going to be an invite video. And this invite is for the Look for Less challenge, which is hosted by Yami every month. And each month she picks a new co-host, and this month it is your girl. So if you have never been to Yami's channel, you should definitely check her channel out. It is so nice. She does a lot of DIYs, and she just recently started a vlog series. So make sure you go and check her out. I will have her channel linked down below. So if you want to do this challenge, you're just gonna have to know these 4 simple rules. So the first rule is to make sure that you have this done in 2 weeks. So I think it's like the 21st or 22nd. I don't know. I'm gonna have it down here. I don't know. So the second one is just gonna be to make sure when you do upload your video that you mention Yami and myself, and you also link our channels down below as well as the playlist in your description. The third rule is just make sure that is a home decor piece. So whatever you choose, just make sure that it has to do with home decor. And the fourth thing is just to make sure whatever piece you choose that you include it into your video so that we can see what it was, how much it was, how much you saved, and what your piece looks like. And that's it. So I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Literally, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, you know how you know what you're gonna do like before something is like something you have to kind of do, and then when it comes to the time that you're like, okay, well, I don't know what to do, that's my whole situation right now. But I know I'm gonna find something. I know you guys will find something. If you're gonna participate, make sure you let me know down below. If you're not, just be on the lookout for this Look for Less challenge so you can see what everyone comes up with. I can't wait. That's the end of the video. Make sure you go and check out Yami's video as well, because she's probably gonna explain this 10 times. Not because she will explain this 10 times better than me. So make sure you go and check out her channel. That is all. I will see you in my next video. Bye.